As promised, I'm gonna do a continuation of the Get Ready with Me Cosmetics holiday collection feature. So I showed you that I unboxed it as soon as I received it. And now I wanna take you through the process of putting together or assembling the palette and of course trying out the different shades. This is the bag. So you have the 6-pan palette, the lip max, and then of course under this, yan yung mga face card. Of course, let's start with this one first. Oh my gosh, hindi ko to nakita yesterday ah. Meron pala nito. So this one, let's pull this out. Magnetic kasi to eh. These are magnetic. So say for example, may i-replace ka dyan. You simply just have to slide this in para lang mag-lift yung pan. Let's start! Hello, mic test? Siguro naman that's recording na. Anyway, guys, naubusan ng battery. So I had to pull out the other one just so I can continue filming. But yes, so I've opened the items that they've sent. They sent over 4 shades of the Shadow Play Velvet Matte. Yan, so you have your Trench, Organza, Savoie, Biscotti. Trench, Biscotti. Anyway, parang gusto ko siyang i-rearrange. So see, if you want to rearrange it, you just lift it. Magnetic nga siya, hindi siya malalaglag eh. Savoie, katabi ni Trench. There you go. So see, hindi siya nalalaglag. Okay? And you would notice that 2 of the squares here, meron siyang acrylic cover. Yan, this is specifically for the pans that have a more creamy texture. Para lang kasi if you put other powder products here, at least hindi siya nalalagyan ng powder. So they also sent me 4 limited edition Halo Veil highlighters. So this one is Lustrous. And then you have Molten Glow. Pagtabihin mo. And then there's Champagne Opal Veil. Yeah, just put it there. Yeah, no. So again, it doesn't fall. So the next face card that I'm putting here is the Royal Flush Powder Blush in Cherub. So this one is also a limited edition color for the holiday season. Next, I have the Baked Bronzing Powders. This is Boracay, Maldives, and Miami. Boracay na lang ilalagay ko dito. Now, I want to reserve this spot for the Face and Body Highlighter in Abracadabra. Ito yon. So there, that's what it looks like. Appreciate it. Doesn't it look so pretty? Later, I'm gonna do swatches because meron pa akong bubuksan. Hold on. Lip Max Holiday Edition. This is Aurora. This is Rosebud. And Winter Solstice. Next natin gagawin is to assemble this makeup bag. So this is what I decided to do. Yan, perfect siya. So there. So this will stay here. So yung lip max na tatlo dito ko nilagay. Tapos yan yung mga containers ng mga face card. Dito ko na lang siya nilagay. So there. So everything in one place. Again, the nice thing about this is that you can also bring your makeup brushes. Put them here. At least, diba, if you're applying your makeup on the go, everything is just in one place.